Hello everyone! Today I want to tell you about one of the best e-commerce platforms in the world that helps me make about $20,000 a month. This is a really functional site that I use all the time. In this short video, I will give you a few life hacks that a few people know about that make it truly one of the best in the best e-commerce category. Let's not waste time and get started.
Hello, I will tell you about a very useful and reliable service. Selling digital products online can be a great way to monetize your website, blog, or social media channels. But is this service a good solution for that? I have been personally selling digital goods online for over 3 years now, and I have tried dozens of e-commerce tools and platforms. However, this service remained very best friends throughout this journey. So in this honest review, I will explain what exactly this service is and help you decide whether or not this platform is a good option to sell your digital products online. Pricing options: $0 per month, $29 per month, and $99 per month. What is about? It's essentially a lightweight e-commerce solution that can be used for selling not only digital but also physical products online. This platform works best for those who want to sell products through their own independent channels online, like websites, blogs, or social media platforms. Compared to other e-commerce solutions, it gives you a chance to earn bigger profit margins, and the best part about it, it is 100% free to start. How does it work? Service works as an integration to your current website, and it's not an online store creator or builder. If you're planning to sell ebooks, courses, software, laptops, socks, or any other type of digital or physical goods, Service will help you with the product pages, buy and add to cart buttons, checkout pages, security, payments, and marketing tools. So we are talking about Payhip. I can tell you right away that absolutely everyone who wants to sell something should try it. Payhip handles the transactions with two world's most popular payment gateways, PayPal and Stripe. All the buyer's personal information is securely stored on these two platforms, so dealing with the important user data will not be your responsibility. This platform works in a simple and very user-friendly way. You sign up with them, add the products, set your prices, embed all the necessary stuff to your site, and you are ready to go. Payhip's device-friendly interface allows customers to browse and purchase goods from any device, including desktops, mobiles, or tablets. It also ensures that your customers get their products delivered instantly. After anyone makes a purchase on your store, Payhip provides an instant download option. They also send an email to your customer's inbox containing a link to a download page. Besides that, Payhip offers many other fantastic features like copyright protection, affiliate system, EU VAT handling, and many more, but about that later in this review. What can you sell with Payhip? While the most common thing people sell online is ebooks, Payhip allows you to sell a lot more than that. Digital products. Payhip accepts all possible digital formats, and you can sell any type of products including ebooks, videos, courses, software, music templates, and more. You can also have the freedom to sell different product formats at once. Memberships. With Payhip, you can easily turn your website into a fully functional membership site, as this platform allows you to create and sell multiple membership plans. Feel free to set your own membership options with different pricing and payment intervals, or even give the free trials to your customers. Physical products. You can also sell print books, clothes, electronics, and any other physical goods with Payhip. You can add and track your product inventory, insert product's weight, and different variables such as colors, sizes, and more. How to list your product on Payhip. Payhip's minimalistic and light interface makes the whole product listing and management process very simple yet effective. Compared to other similar platforms that overwhelm you with their poor design and unnecessary add-ons, listing and managing products on Payhip is a pure pleasure. Adding and describing the new product. As you create your account and select Add New Product, you will be directed to the product's listing page. You can add the main cover picture for that product along with the other 8 other product images. If that's not enough to showcase the product, you can also embed a video or audio file. Lastly, you can tweak and apply some advanced options to your product page, and those include making the product private on your store page, upload a preview file for your customers, limit the number of times the product can be sold, automatically subscribe customers to the mailing list, generate unique license keys for each sale. Marketing tools. Here comes a very important section of every e-commerce platform, marketing, and even that's not the biggest strength of Payhip, this section did not let me down for sure. So let's talk about individual Payhip's marketing tools and how you can take advantage of them. Coupon codes. Payhip allows you to create promotional campaigns by adding coupon codes to your products. Once you set up a coupon code for your particular product, your customers are able to apply that code on the checkout page before they make a purchase. It's very easy to create a custom coupon code on Payhip, and all you have to do is to select your product and enter the percentage of discount you want to give. You can also set the number of times the coupon can be used, as well as the expiry date for that. It would be nice if Payhip had an option to also put the money amount as a discount option instead of only the percentage discount. It's because sometimes you may want to give the amount of money off your products, and sometimes it's a bit of a headache to calculate the outcome of a certain percentage discount. Social discounts. Payhip allows you to set up social discounts for your different products. This amazing feature incentives customers to share products on Facebook or Twitter and receive a discount if they do so. This is also really easy to set up, and once it's done, it will generate an extra share button on your product checkout page. Mailing lists. Payhip allows you to integrate your email service provider in a super easy way, and that allows automatic customer subscriptions after they buy something from you. Throughout my years of experience in using Payhip, I can certainly tell that this platform has never let me down in any way. While Payhip isn't perfect and may lack some features, this platform offers most for its price. The transaction fees on Payhip are relatively low, and it costs absolutely nothing to start. This platform has all the necessary features for successful e-commerce, and it perfectly suits both beginner and advanced levels of sellers. So, if you are looking for a cost-effective option to sell your digital products online, you have nothing to lose if you try selling with Payhip.